Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the phone's voice services and giving them permission to act. Open Google Settings and enable Assistant, then Voice Match or Voice Access. Grant microphone and accessibility permissions. Once done, make sure a secure lock method, PIN, pattern, or password, is set because Android requires authentication before some voice actions. Do this now so the system recognizes your voice and can accept lock commands later. You'll need the app active when you invoke the command. Next, you create or configure the exact voice command that will lock your screen. In Assistant settings, teach your voice model and enable routines or use voice access to assign a lock screen action to a custom phrase. Record or type the phrase and confirm it triggers the correct action. Once this is in place, test it with the screen on so you can observe behavior. Make sure Assistant responds reliably and that any required confirmations are set to automatic to avoid extra taps. Now finalize by rehearsing the command under realistic conditions. Say the phrase, wait, and verify that the screen locks. Make sure Assistant is allowed on the lock screen and not restricted by battery optimization. If it fails, check microphone access, repeat voice training, and re-enable voice access or routines. As a key troubleshooting tip, if the command never works, temporarily disable battery optimizations and test again. Many phones kill background listeners to save power.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.